Hey, what's up? So, now I'm in the car. Halos kaagising ko lang din from a quick nap. Kasi galing ako sa work ng early morning. I was really sleepy kanina. Grabe talaga. Napapapikit na ako. Pero, kailangan gumising at the show must go on. Anyway, I'm on my way to town center now. May bibili lang ako really quick kasi kailangan makuha ko na siya today. Tapos after that, I'm going back to the village kasi mamaya may game tayo together with our friends in tennis. So it's a 3 hours game. Kaya masaya kasi medyo madami kami mamaya maglalaro ng mga doubles. Kaya exciting. Buti lang talaga I don't have anything to do today and tomorrow. So yun yung mga pinabook nilang courts today and tomorrow bago ko, at least makakalaro ko bago ko umalis for the US. Kaya yun, chill day lang tayo today. I wanna really take it so slow kasi parang wala pa yung wisyo ko talaga na alam mo yun, to go all out. Mamaya na siguro sa tennis. But anyway, papunta lang ako sa town center ngayon to buy some stuff. And after that, I'm going back in the village, stay in the coffee shop for a while. Siguro grab a drink bago ko pumunta sa court. Kaya yun, samahan nyo na naman ako today at mag-relax na tayo. Okay? See you! Just finished playing tennis, guys. It was really a good game and it was fun playing with one of the top players in the Philippines. Very nice. Perfect. So now we're heading off to Molito kasi inisip namin kung magpo-poblasyon kami or Molito. So we decided to just go to Molito. Doon lang sila iinom at doon kami kakain. I really need good food. I'm so hungry. I wanna eat a lot today. Kaya sama kayo sa after game hangout namin, guys. We're in Molito now. So let's just walk going to the restaurant. just an update guys. We're moving to Westgate. Sa Tipsy Pig naman kami. So, puro food trip and inom sila. They're just really in the mood to drink tonight. So ako, I don't drink. Puro pagkain ako. Kanina, we had dinner in Uma. Sobrang sarap ng mga food namin. It's been a while since the last time I went to Uma. Ang sarap talaga kumain, lalo na pag gusto mo yung mga kasama mo. Tapos, ngayon, sabi lang, sige, inom tayo. Tipsy Pig naman. So, we're moving to Westgate. Kaya, dun tayo magpapagabi na sa Westgate and dun tayo mag-chill. Kaya tara, let's go to Westgate! But this time, sobrang tahimik ng Commerce Avenue. Sarap mag-drive ng ganitong oras. Tahimik. Kayo guys, kamusta kayo dyan? Kamusta naman ang araw niyo? Naging productive ba kayo? Ako feeling ko pag uwi ko mamaya, sobrang himping ng tulog ko nito for sure. Kaya excited na rin ako umuwi. Take a shower and just cuddle with Dollar. Just for your information guys, Dollar always sleep beside me. Kasi sinanay ko siya ng baby siya na ganun, na natutulog siya parati sa tabi ko. So ngayon, magka 3 years old na yung baby boy ko, mahilig pa rin tumabi. Parang hinahanap-hanap niya yung scent ko parati. Kaya sobrang nakakatuwa. Sobrang loving ni Dollar. For sure naman nakilala niyo na si Dollar last time. I can't wait to grow old with Dollar. Sana mas tumagal pa yung buhay niya na magkasama kami.